Hello and welcome to the demonstration of Route Management System, which is an extension of Fleet Management presented to you by Pragmatic TechSoft. I am going to demonstrate route management here. This module is designed to get step-by-step path between two or more than two addresses. These addresses can be addresses of your partner, like this, or it can be the geolocations of any vehicle which is on the run, or it can be the geo position of your employee who is having a GPS enabled device with him which is being tracked. For the demonstration I am going to use addresses between partners, so let's choose Fabian DuPont, and in the next partner we are going to choose, let's say, the British Museum. I like the British Museum. And if you will click on this button, get path, it is going to show you a path between these two addresses. One is from Namur, Belgium, and the other is from London, and this is a step-by-step path from Namur, Belgium to the British Museum, London. If you want to watch the Google Map directions or the path between these two geolocations, you can click on this button and it will redirect you to the Google Maps. You can see the path between these two locations, and you have step-by-step paths between these two locations. Back to the route management module. Now, all possible partners between these two partners. These are the partners which I have in my contacts, and these all fall in these three countries. The three countries: Belgium, France, and United Kingdom. Now, if I want to see how many of my partners fall in this path, I can give a radius, say 15 kilometer. I'm going to deviate 15 kilometer from my current path to get to any other partner which falls in this path. I'm going to click on this partners and path. Okay, so here we are. As you can see, out of all these partners which were available to me during this path, only these 4 partners comes in a radius of 15 kilometer. I can decide which partner I want to include in my path. I'm going to include all the 4. Alright, you can see that the distance here is 443.615 kilometers. This distance means the distance between these two, the source and the destination, that is Fabian DuPont and the British Museum. Now when I included all these, I'm going to generate the final path. Okay, done finally. So now this is showing me the final path from Namur, Belgium, the British Museum. Now you can see the total distance has increased from 443 to 477. Now if you want to see a Google map, you can click on this button and you can see the route is here. Once you are done with all this, you can click on the create invoice button. Once you click on the create invoice button, it is going to redirect you to the accounting section where you can see the invoice line. Back to our route management module. I want to say one thing, that the logic of the paths what we get here is so optimized that you get the best path, the shortest path actually. So I'd like to thank you for viewing.